As you know, my wife and my daughter has been under quarantine. So far, we have zero contact. She is not even using the front door to come in and out. Today is day number 10th. So far, she doesn't have any kind of symptoms. So I'm little relaxed now. But just for safer side, before I allow her to come in and out through the door, I requested her to do a COVID test. She agrees and now she is going for that. Today we are going to talk about how to get your COVID test done in USA, especially in Michigan. To be honest, it was very easy and it didn't even take more than 15 minutes. Easy peasy. So, without wasting any time, let's just get started. Step number one, just go to your CVS Pharmacy's website, and here on the top you can see one option saying no cost COVID testing option now available at select CVS Pharmacy's store. Book an appointment. In case if you don't like CVS Pharmacy, just go to the Google and type it how to get COVID test done in whatever state you live. In the Google search result, first option which you will get is basically from michigan.gov. When you will hit this link, you will go into that michigan.gov coronavirus, and here you can see find a test site. Now here in the search bar, you need to enter your zip code. Here you can see multiple options like LabCorp, CVS, Passport Health, blah blah blah. Whatever location is convenient to you, you can go and call them to fix an appointment. Since CVS Pharmacy is very near, so we are going to book an appointment on CVS Pharmacy. So here, no cost, just hit that link. You can see here, get tested. Where do you live? Again, same zip code, schedule a test. Now you will see a form like this which you have to fill it out with honesty. So you need to put your date of birth here. If you have any kind of symptoms, then you have to specify here. If you don't have any symptoms, not a problem, you don't need to say anything here. However, whenever you will come down, so these three questions you have to answer. So in past 14 days, blah blah blah, so you have to say this here, yes. If you say here all no, and once you hit the submit button, it will say like, hey, you are not eligible for this test. Some of you might be traveling back to India and you have to have your COVID test done before you get into the plane. So you can say here yes. Once you are done with this form, say agree and submit. Now you can see all these locations where you can have your COVID test done. Pick a location and say see available times. After this, you have to fill out another form in which you have to put your name, address, phone number, plus you have to upload the pictures of your insurance card, front side and the back side. And once you upload them, you are good to go.
Guys, I'm gonna be right with Okay? So the response you'll get within 5 to 7 days. I mean, 3 to 5 days.
You will call me? You will
No,
call me?
it'll go via email.
Okay.
Okay? It's gonna have you look in my heart today.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
Park there and take care of Miriam first.